This is how you know my husband is bored. We'll sneak around the truck here and have a little looky. Like a little trail of how his afternoon's gone. You couldn't spread shit more if you tried. It's around here. It's in the neighbour's driveway. Like he's a good neighbour. But we now got a huge light bar and 2 huge headlights because we're waiting for the gas meter and Tom's got bored. What did you say? We're going to be able to x-ray kangaroos? Literally couldn't spread his shit out more if he tried. Look at it, it's everywhere.